Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to KingCambridgeSolution.com. On this website, you will find the solution of Cambridge International AS and A level. Mathematics 9709, Paper 3, Variant 2. The session is May, June 2024. Today, I shall explain some question of this year. Let's start. Question number 1 is sketch the graph of y equal to x minus 2a modulus where a is a positive constant. Solve the inequality 2x minus 3a less than x minus 2a modulus. The solution for part A is as a is positive and the value of y becomes 0 when x equal to 2a, and due to modulus all value of y will be positive. So its graph will be of this type. For part B, solve the inequality 2x minus 3a less than x minus 2a modulus. Due to modulus, there are two possible options. One is negative, other is positive. So 2x minus 3a less than minus into x minus 2a. After simplification, we get x less than 5 by 3a. On the other side, when it is a positive, 2x minus 3a less than x minus 2a. After simplification, we get x less than a. Ignore as like least value of x is equal to 2a. The part question number 2 is express 6x minus 9x minus 16 over 2x square minus 5x minus 12 in partial fraction. For question number 3, the variable x and y satisfy the equation a raised by 2y minus 1 equal to b raised by x minus y, where a and b are constant. Show that the graph of y against x is a straight line. For part B, given that a equal to b raised to the power cube, state the equation of the straight line in the form y equal to px plus q, where p and q are the rational number in the simplest form. For the question number 4, the equation of the curve is y e raised by 2x plus y square e raised by x equal to 6. Find the gradient of the curve at the point where y equal to 1. For question number 5, it is given that the equation e raised by 2x equal to 5 plus cos 3x has only one root. Show by calculation that this root lies in the interval 0.7 less than x less than 0.8. For part B, show that if a sequence of values in the interval 0 less than 0.7 less than x less than 0.8 given by the iterator formula xn plus 1 equal to 1 by 2 ln of 5 plus cos 3x xn. Then it converts to the root of the equation in part A. For part C, use this iterator formula to determine the root correct to the 3 decimal places give that the result of each iteration to 5 decimal places. For the question number 6, the diagram shows the curve y equal to x e raised to minus ax, where a is a positive constant and its maximum point is m. Find the exact coordinate of m. For part B, find the exact value of integration 0 to 2 over a x e raised to minus ax dx. For the question number 7, show that cos 4 theta minus sin 4 theta equal to cos 2 theta, and for the part B, hence find the exact value of integration minus pi by 8 to pi by 8 cos 4 theta minus sin 4 theta plus 4 sin square theta cos square theta d theta. The question number 8 is the 2 point A, B, C have position vector OA equal to minus 2i plus j plus 4k and OB equal to 5i plus 2j and OC equal to 8i plus 5j minus 3k, where O is the origin. The line L1 passes through B and C. Find a vector equation for L1. The line L2 has equation R equal to minus 2i plus j plus 4k into mu into 3i plus j minus 2k. Part B, find the coordinates of the point of intersection of L1 and L2. For part C, the point D on L2 is such that AB equal to BD. Find the position vector of D. For the question number 9, the complex number Z and mega are defined by Z equal to 1 minus iota and mega equal to minus 3 plus 3 under root 3 iota. Part A, express ZW in the form of Z mega in the form of A plus iota B, where A and B are real exact third form. Part B, express Z and W in the form R e iota theta, where R greater than 0 and minus pi less than theta, theta less than pi. Give the exact value of R and theta in each case. For the C part, on an organ diagram, the points representing mega and Z mega are A and B respectively. Prove that OAB is an isosceles right angle triangle where theta is the origin. For part D, use your answer to part B. Prove that tan 5 pi by 12 equal to under root 3 plus 1 over under 3 minus 1. For the question number 10, the part A is by writing y equal to secant cube theta as 1 over cos cube theta, show that dy over d theta equal to 3 sin theta secant 4 theta. For part B, the variable x and theta satisfy the differential equation x square plus 9 sin theta d theta over dx equal to x plus 3 cos 4 theta is given that x equal to 3 when theta equal to pi by 4. Solve the differential equation to find the value of cos theta when x equal to 0. Give your answer correct to 3 significant figures. Now, how you can access the solution of all the remaining questions? The step one is, first one is open this website, kingcamrasolution.com. The step two is on the right top corner, click the login link. After that, you will get this interface. Apply on this interface, click on the sign up link. Click on the sign up link as shown by the yellow arrow. After that, provide the credentials, username, password, email, and the password, and click on the sign up. When you click on the sign up, after that you will get this interface. You will log in to the website automatically, or you can log in manually after that. By using your credential, when you log in to the website, you will come to this interface. When you click on the courses and go to the courses list, you will find the courses list, this one. In the courses list, when you click on the courses that you want to buy, you will find this interface. Click on add to the cart. After that, click on the buy now. When you click on the buy now, you will find the interface of the Stripe. Fill in the Stripe particulars. Click the submit button. When you click the submit button, after that you will click on the top right corner, you will click in your user, the option is order history. When you click on the order history, you will find the syllabus that you have purchased, this one. When you click your course that you have bought, you will find this interface. In this interface, there are two icons. One is the file icon. When you click the file icon, you will download the solution in the PDF form. And when you click on the video icon, a video file having the solution of the question will be downloaded. In this way, every question have a PDF file and video file for the solution. Best of luck. See you in the next question.